Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a completely new sheet on Smartsheet to add it to your workspace. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Smartsheet, log into your account and select your workspace here. So what you want to do here in your workspace overview is click into this button, add to workspace. And from that menu, hover your mouse over sheet and select the type of sheet, like a table or a Gantt or board. So let me go with a board view. And there you go. After that, the given sheet will be created in board view. So here you will see the backlog and also the status. And yeah, you may navigate through these views, for example, by clicking into that arrow down icon here and switch to table, grid, card, calendar, and so on and so forth. So let me switch, for example, to the table view. And from here, you will be given the opportunity to create, for example, tasks, to assign users or workspace members to the given task within the sheet. You may rename the sheet here at the top, navigate through that menu here, for example, add formulas, attach files, add forms, and so on and so forth. Add more columns, rows by clicking into this plus button here. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you create a new sheet. You may navigate to your other sheets within your workspace by expanding the workspace items list here and head over to your other sheet or dashboard. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.